Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing excellent this week. In today's video, I'm gonna show you what I used to eat for breakfast, and that is oats. I think I eat oats almost every day, and I'm happy to share how I prepare them. So let's get into it. In a small bowl, we're gonna add half a cup of raw oats, a tablespoon of flax seeds, a splash of cinnamon, maybe a teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. I love cinnamon. Half a cup of almond milk. I have a video where I show you how to make the almond milk. We are going to mix this up and then put in the fridge for 12 or 24 hours. After that, put some fruits on top. I'm gonna put some strawberries and blueberries, a tablespoon of hemp seeds, and also a tablespoon of peanut butter unsalted, and done. This is ready to go. And that is how I prepare my oats, my overnight oats. And I put strawberries, but if you want to put banana, apples, peach is good. I really like strawberries because they good in vitamin C, and the vitamin C is good to combine with the iron in the oats. I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.